All right, first step, we're gonna pop on the seal on the new sheet. We're done. This is the sun-facing side that stays on top. Don't fully peel it off, just peel off the edges, so that way you don't scratch it up and all that. There you go, foam on the edges installed, and now the headache will begin. Before you start sliding this into the rails, make sure you also peel the edges on the back in here, but also just enough to have access so you don't scratch up. And then this is the problem now, guys. You see you're squeezing the foam to try to get this on, to get the whole strip on. It's really impossible. You have to soak it in detergent. It just gives you no space to slide it in. This one actually feels tighter even than the previous one. So what I'm actually gonna do is give it a little angle trim, just so it's easier to work with. And that's the biggest complaint with these panels. The foam is too tight to work with. You can replace it by the Home Depot like I mentioned, but why waste the money? So basically with a utility knife, just cut it on an angle, and that's gonna give you more space to work with and slide it on. So now with our foam prepped, we just pop this on. Remember, the drain stays on top. And we're gonna line it up to the edges and just wedge it on. It should be a lot easier to slide it on now as opposed to the full piece of foam. Once you see the foam covered, that means you got it all the way in. Same at the edges. Now we'll do the other side. Just watch which way you put a nut. Putting this on, this stays on the bottom, so this way. There you go. That was actually pretty simple compared to what I was trying to do before with the regular foam. If our seal is covered, that means we're all the way in, which it is. And there you go. This is how you install the 80, 120 inch or bigger awning setup. I actually did a whole series of these awning videos and stuff just to help people get these done, because it seems to be an annoying process and there's not a lot of good info out there about it. There's quick shorts, but nothing detailed. I'm also going to do a video on this, so check that out. I'm going to do a full detailed video of the install. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this is helpful. Check out my channel, lots of how-to videos. Have a good day.